I need to make a recording of this not only for others, but also for my own benefit. I totally forgot how to do this. Fortunately, I found a video on YouTube that helped walk me through it again. If you need to make a binding phrase for your ELRS receiver, you need to come to this web page. I'm going to link it in the description. Go to where it says the binding phrase thing. Type in whatever you want. Whatever this is, you're also going to need to put this into your receiver. And what you do is you go down here to where it says Betaflight CLI. You copy out this little bit of text right here. Next step, you go into Betaflight after you've hooked your drone up. Remember, this only works with SPI receivers. Let's you go into the CLI. And what you do is you paste in that thing you got from the website. For some reason it's not catching. Let's do that again. Copy this text. Go into here. Paste the text in. You'll only see the save part. Because if you'll have to scroll up in order to see the rest of it. See, it's all there. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to change my binding phrase to whatever. But anyways, you hit enter at this point, and this will write in that command. And then I think at that point you just save and reboot, disconnect, and your receiver should automatically connect to your quad from that point on. Okay, note to self, do not forget this again.